Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my thumb, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. Now, if you want to check or edit your profile, go to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can find your profile data. Now, if you want to edit, click to the edit button, and you can select an avatar. You can add a frame to that, and you can select a style. And if you want to change your name, just click to the pencil icon and type your new name. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.